So there you have it. Each of these generators offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. The Generac 7043 stands out with its automatic operation and high power output, making it ideal for those who want a hassle-free solution to home power outages. The Briggs Stratton 40445 provides reliable performance with quieter operation, although it lacks some of the advanced monitoring features. Lastly, the Champion 100302 offers great value with its dual fuel capability and affordability, but it may not meet the power demands of larger homes. When choosing the right generator for your home, consider your power needs, budget, and whether you prefer automatic features or manual operation.